Hello, kabalay. Naghahanap ka ba ng ready for occupancy or RFO na lipat agad in less than 1 month? Low cash out pa at may malaking promo discount? Baka ito na ang dream home na hinahanap mo dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. Before we start our quick house tour, I'm your Kabalay. Tayo po ay isang lisensyadong real estate practitioner dito sa Pilipinas. Kabalay, I'm so excited na. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Mag-house tour tayo. Kabalay, let's start with the orientation of this corner unit. So the corner unit that we have here in Cutting Phase 5, ang orientation niya is morning sun within Block 4, malapit sa ating entrance gate and business center. And as this is corner lot, expect na mas malaki ang kanyang lot area. And then, malapit siya dito sa alley. May alley tayong malapit dito. This is the alley that we have here. No, accessing Block 6 and going to the clubhouse. Now, ang orientation naman ng ating design is modern architectural design. As you can see, kasama na po yung gate and fence upon turnover. Pasukin po natin yung loob ng balay. Dahil kasama na kabalay ang ating gate and fence, makita pala yung ating gate. This is a tubular gate. Then this is foldable. If you wish na papasok yung sasakyan nyo. And kasama na dito, itong kagandahan dito kapalay na gusto ko sa gate na to dahil di mo na kailangan buksan ng lahat ng yung gate. You can have this mini entrance gate na may kasama na rin mailbox. Nga pala kapalay, hindi ko na-discuss. Upon turnover, meron ka rin ditong doorbell, no? Upon turnover. Yan. So, kompleto talaga itong Cutting Phase 5 natin na mga turnover units. Then, dito naman sa car part natin, as you can see, covered na siya. No? Yung unit nyo, kaya makakasigurado tayo na mapapangalagaan nyo sa sakyan nyo pag nandito ka kumuha sa ating Cutting Phase 5 units. 2 car parts. Malaki talaga to. Hanggang dito. May setback ka dito kapalay. Tingnan natin dito kapalay yung setback natin to. Dito, pwede mong gawin as a storage area, expand po yung mismong service area, or pwede ka magkakaroon ng pocket garden dito if you wish. Now, let's go naman sa loob ng ating unit. Upon entering, ang ating deliverables dito is metal flash door, double lock, and quality to talaga kapag hindi inaanay. Yan, pagpasok mo dito sa ating unit, medyo kino-construct pa siya, pinilinis pa yung ibang parts, but then ito na mismo yung actual turnover natin. Meron ka ng ceiling, parang naka-drop ceiling ka na, and then ang lalaki ng ating mga sliding windows dito. Aluminum powder coat, with screen na to, 1, 2, 3 windows, and meron ka itong dalawang sliding glass door. So itong sliding glass door, may screen na rin siya, accessing your service area here. Yan. So, pwede itong gusto mo expand yung service area or you can have your own room here or pocket garden. So, this is your Kabalay living area. Then, ang part naman nito Kabalay will be your dining area. On my left side will be your kitchen area. So as you can see, upon turnover, kasama na pala itong ating mga hanging cabinet and base cabinet. So meron na siya mismo upon turnover. Then you have stainless steel, may base cabinet na. And meron ka dito for your, of course, stove and for your fridge. Kabalay. Then you have another sliding glass door here, accessing the first bathroom. So this is your access to your first bathroom. This one. And you have here your utility area and service area that you can expand later on if you wish. Yan. Kabalay, we're done sa ating ground floor. Let's go to our second floor. Now, using these stairs, mapapansin nyo, lahat ng ginamit na tiles dito is ceramic tiles, Kabalay. No? Ceramic tiles lang yan. And it is metal railings and tubular. For our yes. So kapag accessing here to the second floor, towards here on my right is the master's bedroom, and towards to my left is going to the second bedroom, and third bedroom. First, let's go to the master's bedroom. So ongoing, inaayos yung ating master's bedroom construction ng ating unit. At least makikita nyo yung pinaka-layout ng ating master's bedroom. As you can see sa model number 2, mas madami tayong glasses dito. No, that gives you a feeling of modern architecture. Ito naman ating sliding glass window, of course. Yan, yung natin na pattern over. And naman that, ito yung access mo going to the mini balcony. And you have here, cabinets. So lahat ng mga bedrooms dito sa ating ng cutting place model ay meron itong cabinet na pag-turn over. Ito pa pala, yung nakakabit ng ating glass door dito, going to our mini balcony. Let's go. So ito yung mini balcony natin. Yan, there's a room for you to expand here later on, if you wish. Now, let's go to the bathroom and the other bedrooms. But on my right, ito yung ating second bathroom. Then here ka pala for our second bedroom. For our second bedroom, pagpasok mo dito sa right ko, yung mismo mga cabinets, pillar siya. And then you have two sliding windows here na may split din, and for our AC. So this is the space for your second bedroom. Going here ka pala is our third bedroom. Pagpasok mo, nandito sa right side mo, left side ko, yung cabinet. Ito yung space natin with one window and a provision for AC. So, yan ka pala eh. We're almost done sa ating ground out second floor ng ating cutting place 5. So kapag tayo for full details like sample computation, appointment for house viewing, and for reservation, no? Kapag just send me your contact number or message me on my social media accounts Kapalay and my Viber and WhatsApp at 0962-526-2444. Nasa details din ng video na to for me to assist you, no? And to guide you to your whole journey here in Cutting Place 5. So that's it. That's the end of our quick house tour here in our one of the available corner units in Cutting Place 5. See you here, Kapalay. I'm so excited to assist you for your journey. Again, this is your Kapalay. As always, choose your lifestyle, choose your home, choose Kapalay. Thank you for watching and see you in my next real estate video.